Delete Me is a new and growing business model for online privacy seekers. Delete Me provides a means for users to regulate what information about them is displayed in data brokers' searches. It can be a great addition to your affiliate marketing portfolio and allow you to branch out. Commissions are paid out month after month to affiliates that recognize the opportunity. Check this out. Delete Me provides services to reduce the amount of information that the marketers and salespeople are selling back and forth to one another. Get into the commissions being paid out for this product. Selling privacy packages is a relatively easy niche because it is something that people absolutely need and want. Privacy-related keywords are searched more than 90,000 times per month. This provides a great opportunity for you to earn commissions using keyword strategies necessary to place your affiliate links in prominent places all over the web. The average sell is around $229. Affiliates receive $30 for each sell. Affiliates are using keyword strategies to place their affiliate links high in search engine results. This is a great affiliate program for beginners, intermediate and professional affiliates. Download this free guide below and learn how to position and drive traffic to your affiliate links and get your share of these sales. Also, see the resource for grabbing the keywords you need below.